Unlock your potential as a Python developer. Hi, I'm a Python developer. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock your potential as a Python developer. What is Python? Python is a powerful, versatile, and easy to learn programming language. It's used in a wide variety of applications, from web development to data science. Why learn Python? There are many reasons to learn Python. Here are a few. Python is in high demand. There are many job opportunities for Python developers. Python is easy to learn. The syntax is simple and the language is well documented. Python is powerful. It can be used to create complex applications. How to get started? If you're interested in learning Python, there are many resources available to help you get started. Here are a few. The official Python website has a great tutorial that will teach you the basics of the language. There are many online courses available that can teach you Python. There are also many books and articles about Python. The future of Python. The future of Python looks bright. The language is growing in popularity and there are many new applications for Python being developed all the time. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-learn programming language, Python is a great choice. With Python, you can unlock your potential as a developer and create amazing things. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to learn Python. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Associative V provides IT services, Android and iOS app development, web development, website, digital marketing, SEO, YouTube marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and market research service. Please contact us via WhatsApp at 9028850524. Email info@associative.in, website associative.in and associative.co.in.